What's up guys, this is How to Fix Guy with another unboxing. This time it's a D-Link 3G USB adapter. The modem supports HSDPA and HSUPA technology and can reach speeds up to 7.2 megabits per second. It has a micro SD slot as well, so you can use it as a flash drive if you wanted to. As you can see in the box, it's pretty easy to use it. Just slide in the SIM card and pop it into your PC's USB slot. So what's inside the box? Not much, just some paperwork and the modem itself. In my opinion, this product is well worth 4 stars out of 5 because it's cheap, easy to use, and the build quality is not that bad considering the price. I wanted to show you how easy it is to connect it to your PC. So first of all, you need to open it and slide the SIM card into your SIM card slot. You can also put a micro SD card if you wanted to. Now put the back cover back on and connect the adapter to one of your PC's USB ports. When it's connected to your PC for the first time, you will need to install the driver software. So open the D-Link connection manager and go through the setup. When you're done, you can connect to the internet. If you're using Windows 7, just press the connect button, and if you have Windows 8 installed, use the network icon on the bottom of the taskbar instead. Now we can check the speed of our internet. Here are the results of my previous tests. As you can see, not bad at all. And here you can see the speed that I was able to get by using an Android phone as my modem. Thanks for watching, and as always, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.